Hello, ChoroQ fans. Today we have an Isuzu Bellett GTR police car. Aeon. I think that's a store, a chain of stores in Japan. Why is it written upside down? Or this is some confusing packaging. It looks like the Choro-Q is written upside down also, right? I think that's how Choro-Q is spelled, Q, Aeon. But then why is the window here and... Oh, I see. Maybe it's just putting the package the wrong way. Yes, this is the way it's supposed to be, but it's the car situated in the wrong style. Anyways, on this side of the box it says 2006, gives us an idea of how old this is. Apparently it was opened before, obviously because it's in the box the wrong way. Okay. I couldn't find any images of Bellett police cars. So these are just your standard 1600 GTR. I think they're 1600s, but the front end of this one literally has a GTR badge, although I think it has aftermarket wheels. In fact, I think the other photo probably did too. But these are the best images we're going to go with today. Alright, well, it's got stamped steel wheels. These are standard wheels by ChoroQ. I'm gonna imagine that says police in Japanese of some sort. What is that little bump there? Is that like a push-out window? Maybe. Yeah, I see it on the real photos. I think there's one of those hinges. And anyways, the black and white here is separated pretty well. I mean, it's crossing across the flared-out fenders, so that could have been a lot worse. This is a molding sprue residue. The tires, yeah, they're kind of weird. They're looking like they're starting to fall apart or something. Oh well. The front end, painted on headlights, but nothing here for the fog lights though, so that's too bad. Texture in here, and then a little rectangle for a badge. It does say GT right there. And there's also two protrusions here. I don't know what these would be, if they're reflectors on the bumper or rub strips or what. I don't see anything on those real photographs, so it's weird. I think that's the Japanese police symbol. This is a raised bump here for the Isuzu badge. Smoked canopy. I saw a little bit of the motor before. And then this giant oversized police light up here I think is really great. It's a comical car with a comical light on the top. This side looks the same, except I'm now noticing this thing sticking out. I think these must be fake vents on the real car. Yeah, alright, so it is on both sides. And it's nice to see some red paint here for the taillights. Alright, so yeah, it's a special model for this Aeon company, whatever it is. Yeah, 2006, standard base, clear stuff, so you can see the motor screwed in the tab. Yeah, these wheels are okay. I think they just need some color, so maybe later on I'll, paint them silver and then fill in some color there. I also feel like this would be helpful if it was painted. So in fact, I should probably take a look at the other Bellett I have, the regular street one. Let me get the spin machine. So this is the street version I got a while back, and I put some Hot Wheels Real Riders on it, so it looks, I think it looks a lot better. But you'll see on this one they painted those fog lights yellow, and there's some white for the, license plate area. It also has wiper blades printed on it. Oh, but this is a different collection, the Nostalgic Sports Car collection. So I guess when that box set they just have more details, whereas this is maybe... Well, I guess it's one or the other. This has printing on it, and then it's got the police light, so maybe it's all within a certain budget, give or take, features and details. Alright, so I do have a 1/64 scale Daido branded Isuzu Bellett 1600 GTR, so we'll pop that up there. Give you an idea of the foreshortening, proportion differences. Alright, let's get that out and continue on with some more ChoroQs, in this case some police vehicles. So I have a Mercedes C-Class, or the German police here. I have a, my Lamborghini Gallardo for the Italian police. And that one has Ward C alloy wheels on it. The wheels are meant for Hot Wheels, but they work pretty well on Choro-Qs. You just swap the tires over. And the last one I'm going to pop up here, I think, is by Suntory Boss. It's a freebie that comes with some canned coffee in Japan. Yeah. Okay, so let's get the top view of this. Alright. So it's another Isuzu Bellett Tinted collection. It's different enough from the road going one I have. That's why I decided to get it. I really like this car. Something about it with the 4 headlights and the 2 fog lights. It looks pretty cool to me. It looks like a Saab. It reminds me of a Saab for some reason. I forget what kind of Saab, but that's what it looks like. If it looks like anything else to you guys, please leave a comment. Alright, well, I guess I'll see you in the next time this thing spins around. Thanks.